gold wall. Prevention to Dubovic Tachel, entry number 7 from Tanhay City, Negros, and Team TCR, entry number 3 of Liloan. And again, sa ilang gipanultion, ari daogon sa likoon. Approaching the third mark, making the left turn. On the way to the second mark, surpassing the third mark. Again, on the lead still. Team TCR. Lingawan. DJ Lovely. Ito na si DJ Lovely.
Ano lagi makita rin gusto kayo dapat yun. Kanang loyo, mula pa rin dapat hindi gusto ko tanaw na.
And making the last final left turn all the way to the finishing line. And nasaylo pa. And still on the lead. And will advance to the next round. Congratulations to Team TCR, entry number 3 from Liloan. Okay. So we'll be having our lunch break, guys, and see you on Tao. Bitaw, estimated time lang siguro para. Okay, we'll be back.